Would you look at that? A 73 Carrera RS. Still all here, just waiting.
Last one here, bolts free. Let's lift. Watch the edge. Good. Seat coming out. And there she is. Bare shell on the rotisserie. Consistent all the way down, a couple of taps here, roofline's dead flat now, no daylight under the straight edge, and the deck lid flows perfectly into the ducktail. That's what we want. Nice and tight along the edge, follow that curve, good, press the paper in, seal it off, perfect line on the ducktail, that'll do. One last check, ready for color.
Every seam gets scrubbed clean, any dust will ruin the finish. Guards red goes on in thin, even passes. Classic Porsche shade, exactly to spec. Black accents define the shock towers and the cowl, just like
seating into place, tightening up, snug.
That's it, first fire. She sounds perfect. Absolute jewel, what a milestone.